crafty friends, Lacey the Cheeky Bum, and I have an Aldi's haul. I have an Aldi's that is very close to me, and I found a few just Valentine's and then Valentine slash crafty items. So I thought that I would share. So some of this is from probably last week, and then I know that a couple new things, like he was just putting them out yesterday. So today is Thursday, January 22nd. As I'm filming this, you'll probably see this today. So I got some of the things that were put out yesterday as he was putting them out, and then a couple things he said that came out last week, and I didn't go last week. I don't really, for as close as it is, I really don't go there every week. I probably should, but I don't. So first off, I found this set of towels, because how cute are these? You got bow on this side and then bow and hearts on this one. These are so cute. I think I don't have my receipt, obviously. I never do. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just not that sorted. I think these were $5.99 if I remember correctly. Next, I got, these came out yesterday. They have pink and purple. They did have other shapes. What were the other shapes? They did have hearts, but I got the heart containers from Hobby Lobby, so I just didn't think I had the hearts. The hearts come in red and pink. They did it, and then I feel like there was one more shape. I'm not quite sure what it is. But we're going to take the packaging off of one so that we can open it up and try it out. So I couldn't find any that didn't have like these light scratches. So I'm hoping that I might be, oh, that one I can feel, unfortunately. But I could put like an initial of whoever I'm gifting this to right here, or you can put stickers, code transfers on it, whatever you want. These were $3.99, by the way. And they are like, they're heavy, like they're heavier duty than some of the other snack boxes that we've seen. I really like the hot pink of this. And here are your sections. The hearts had 4 sections and they were on the bigger side. But again, I have the ones from Hobby Lobby. And if you've got the ones from Target, then you don't necessarily need these. But for $3.99, it is a good deal. So I got 3 of these to put in my stash because these are cute. And again, not necessarily Valentine's. I can use these any time of the year to send out a nice little embellishment box. Happy Mail to somebody. So yeah, 3 of those. Of course, my husband's like, why do you need those? Because I do. Because I do, Chad. I do. Oh, I have my receipt. So the towel was $5.99. Okay. And then I found these. So I could not find the ones from Walmart. What is it? The CBW or whatever the brand is that has the cute little things. Lisa, Leave It to Lisa Crafts, hauled them, and they were so cute, but I could not find them. But I found these. These are, does it not say? $3.99. How many do I get in here? 5 pieces, $3.99. Really? They're typed on 3 sides? Jeez, sometimes. Come on. Let's see, I'll just take them out. Alright, so you get a light pink, more of a fuchsia pink, a red, a purple, and a blue. These are really cute. These will be cute to put like a little bead mix in here, sequin mix, nice little trinket jar. These are cute for $3.99. I think they were really cute. I might, if they have more, I don't know if they will or not, because these came out last week. So these were not this week. These were, and I think the garland and the rest is last week's, and like they were kind of slim pickings on something. So again, I probably should go weekly, but these are really cute. I really like these. I picked up this little garland. They had multiple ones. I think they had a heart one, and I don't remember what the third one was. There was 3 of them. I got the bow garland. So it looks like this. It's just bows and pearls, because I thought that this was, I don't know, more universal. Like I can put this up and leave it up because it's girly. It's not Valentine's Day. This was, what's the garland? $5.99. but it's how many feet? Does it not tell me? It's over 6 feet long. But I was like, even if I didn't want to hang this up in my room, which I might, I don't know. I was like, I could take sections of this and like, you know, wrap a package with it or Happy Meal or put it on like one of my totes. This is kind of heavy. Like these are heavier pearls. I mean, even though they're plastic, like they do have a little bit of weight to them. But like, how stinking cute. This is so fun and girly. I probably will end up hanging this up in my craft room because this is adorable. I really like this. So there's that. What else did I get? Oh, I got these whipped, whole dipped, freeze-dried raspberries. These look really good. They have a lot of Valentine's candy. The candy, like, is not super cheap. Like, yeah, these were $5.49. So these better be good. The raspberries are my favorite next to cherries. And then I got this. So this is like a storage container. This was $7.99. We're gonna take it apart so you can see the picture. So 2 of them are just empty ones, and then the top is got like a compartment situation, and they do all stack on top of each other. So I'm thinking it's pink. I'll probably keep this for Valentine's Day or other things, so I can put like embellishments that I'm making and put it in here. Does this, oh, this comes out as well, and these are decent size. Let's see, do I have a handy ruler? Oh, it probably tells me on the thing. Does it say? No. Oh, it does. So it says easy clean. Of course, these are like, I don't know if this is food safe, but a 10 by 7 by 7, or you know, abouts. But I thought that this would be cute to organize, like put on my desk, because I always, you know, I'm crafting on my desk, but then I need to film a video, so I need to move things over. So I'm thinking if I'm putting like little embellishments in here, like, oh, I'm working on some heart embellishments here, I have just a whole bunch of little die cuts, I can put it in this one, and then in this one I can put, you know, like I'm playing with all of, you know, these Stampin' dies, so I could put these in here if I wanted, and then in the bottom one I can put you know, like the 6x6 paper pads that I'm using, and put those like, and it's all just kind of together. So that was my idea, my theory, and then it's all together. I can put it off to the side of my desk and utilize it with it still being like all together and nice and tidy. So that is my Aldi's haul. I know some, you know, not everybody might be into this. I know not everybody has an Aldi, so I'm really sorry if you don't. But I am lucky that I have one like a mile away. It's literally feels like it's right down the road. And yes. So if you have any questions, let me know. But there are some good finds out there. I know that some people forget that there's Aldi. I also get a lot of candles from there. They're $4.99. Candles with the metal lids are great. I don't like the ones with the wood lids all that much, but the ones for $4.99 with the metal lids are great. I buy them all the time. They make great gifts. They are just as good, if not better, than the Bath & Body Works ones that are a lot more expensive. So anyway, that is my Aldi's haul, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.